Scott Groves with another mortgage mystery. Why is your realtor referring you to a loan officer? Or why is your realtor trying to push you to go to a loan officer who they work with? Now, this can be very confusing, and sometimes consumers can start to see monsters under the bed. I've had it happen before where a realtor will be so aggressive about asking their clients or encouraging their clients or almost forcing their clients to work with our team that the client will call me and straight up ask, hey, are you giving my realtor a kickback? Why is this relationship so thick that they're pushing you and they don't want you to go with your guy, they want you to go with the realtor's guy, and you should be working with me? Well, there's a couple reasons for this. First, let me dispel the myth of any type of kickback. In 2009, the federal government came up with a cadre of regulations that make it 100% illegal for any lender to give a kickback to a realtor for referring a client who would get a loan with a loan officer like myself. In addition, there's even regulations over spending more than $25 on a realtor, or taking a realtor out to lunch, or taking a realtor to the Lakers game. We can't even do any of that stuff anymore. You know, sometimes I'll send a business book to a realtor friend of mine, but that's not exactly a kickback for a deal. That's just us trying to develop our business together. However, there's a couple things that go into real estate. One, real estate is all about location, location, location. Where you're buying a house has a community. And within that community, there's going to be certain cultural norms where maybe the listing agents don't feel comfortable accepting a pre-approval letter. And we have a video explaining what a pre-approval is. Maybe those listing agents in that local area don't accept a pre-approval letter from Bank ABC because Bank ABC has been notorious for letting them down, canceling transactions because the loan couldn't close, or delaying the close of the contract because the lender was behind. So culturally, you might be thinking about working with a bank or a loan officer who the realtor knows will be a detriment to getting that offer accepted and that deal closed. Now, another reason that your realtor might be so adamant about working with their guy or girl is because this is a relationship business, right? And if I have a tight relationship as a lender with a particular realtor, and that realtor needs me to send a pre-approval letter on the weekend, answer a call after hours, do a quick emergency session by conference call or Zoom to put everybody at ease because the transaction is maybe having some difficulties. It's that relationship where the realtor knows they can count on their preferred lender to step in and make sure everybody is well educated, that everybody is advocating for the deal and to get the offer accepted, and that they're keeping it on track to close on time. Because remember, although the most important thing of the transaction is you, the client, getting into the house, there's also some reputational risk for the buyer's agent who's helping you buy that house. The buyer's agent wants to show their worth to the listing agent and say, hey, I'm great at my job. My client's a great client. My lender's a great client. We're gonna make this an easy transaction and close the transaction on time. And the lender is probably the number one person that can screw that up. So if you feel like your realtor is being a little aggressive in pushing you to a lender or a preferred lender like myself, then give us a call. We're here to either be your lender of choice or give you an unbiased second opinion. And just know that there's nothing nefarious going on. There's no ill intention. There's no financial kickback. It's just a matter of your realtor having a relationship with somebody who's likely local, likely has done deals with the listing agents in the area before, and can be an advocate on your behalf. However, if you're feeling like the lender you were referred to is not giving you the education, is not giving you the information, is not going over your deal structure, or is not being an advocate for you when you make offers, then that's when you should give our team a call. We're licensed in a dozen states around the country, and if for some reason you're buying a home or refinancing a home in a state where we're not licensed, we can refer you to a local lender who we have in our kind of cadre of people we know across the nation. And we can make sure that we get you with a local lender who's awesome, who can help you get your offer accepted, get pre-approved, get a great loan. Just know we're here to help. Most realtors and lenders are here to serve you with that idea of servant leadership, and people just like working with people they trust. Scott Grove's Mortgage Mysteries. Let us know if you need anything. Leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel. And if there's a video we're missing from this series, just leave a comment. We'll get it up in 24 hours to help demystify all your mysteries surrounding mortgages and buying a house.